to a Clays Hunter 1 tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about PHP variables and concatenating. So firstly, you'll want to have watched my first tutorial on PHP and how to set up an environment for it to run in, and then you will want to go to your WAMP www directory, which in my case is C program files WAMP www. So we're going to create a new file today, and we're going to call it index.php. So right click, new text document, index.php, enter. Yes, we do want to change extension, and we're going to open the file with Notepad++, which you probably will have downloaded from the last tutorial. Of course you don't have to, you can just use standard Windows Notepad, but I like to use this. So, as you may remember, we start every file with $sign $PHP, and we end every PHP file with a question mark and a greater than sign. Okay, so to set a variable in PHP, we do a $sign, and then the name of our variable after it. So we're going to do $var1, so that's variable 1, and we're going to set variable 1, which is space equals space, to hello, because it's a string we got to put it in quotes, so HELLO, and close the quotes and put a semicolon. So now we're going to just do a simple test, and we're going to echo this variable, so ECHO space $var1 and semicolon again. And if we will save our file now and go down to your WAMP server and click localhost, and as you can see, it's printed our variable on the page as we thought it would. So basically what this is doing is it's setting a variable called variable1 to hello, and then we're printing the variable. So if we just add another variable under variable1 and call it $var2 for variable 2, and make that equal your name, for example. So I'm going to put Dan here, and end quotes, semicolon. And what we're going to do now is concatenate these two variables together. So this is going to basically join the two variables. In PHP, the concatenate function is a full stop. So we'll do var1 space full stop space $var2. And if we save that, go back to our web browser and refresh our page, it will come up with our concatenated variables. As you can see, it has no space, so if we just go back to our PHP file, we could either put a space in here, or we could concatenate another space in there. So that's what we're going to do. We'll put a quote here, space, quote, space, full stop, space. So as you can see now, that's concatenating variable 1 to a space and then variable 2. So if we save that now, go back to your internet browser and refresh the page, there you go, you can see we have a space in there. Thanks for watching this tutorial. That's all for today. I'll be moving on to a few more advanced things in the future, so once we've grasped the basics of PHP, we can do a few more exciting things.